How to fill out a check. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before we begin, make sure you have your checkbook, a pen with good ink, and any relevant documents such as invoices or bills you're paying. Step 2. Date the check. Start by dating the check in the designated space. This ensures that the check is valid and can only be cashed or deposited on or after the specified date. Step 3. Write the payee's name. In the pay to the order of line, write the name of the person or entity to whom you are making the payment. Be sure to be clear and accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Write the check amount in numbers. In the box next to the $sign, write the numerical amount of the check. Be sure to include cents if applicable. This should match the written amount later. Step 5. Write the check amount in words. Write out the check amount in words on the line below the payee's name. Be specific and include cents. If the amount is $25.01, write 25.01/100. Step 6. Add a memo, optional. In the memo line, you can add a brief description of the purpose of the payment. This step is optional but can be useful for record keeping. Step 7. Sign the check. Your signature is crucial for the check to be valid. Sign on the designated line in the bottom right corner of the check. Use the signature you used when you opened your bank account. Step 8. Record the transaction in the check register. Maintain good financial habits by updating your check register or transaction log. Record the check number, date, payee, and amount. This helps you keep track of your spending. Step 9. Review the check. Before handing over the check, review all the details to ensure accuracy. Double-check the payee's name, the written and numerical amounts, and your signature. Step 10. Secure your checkbook. Keep your checkbook secure. Store it in a safe and accessible place. If your checkbook is lost or stolen, it could potentially be used for fraudulent activities. Step 11. Deliver or mail the check. Once you're confident that the check is correctly filled out, deliver it to the intended recipient. If you're mailing it, use a secure method. Step 12. Reconcile your bank statements. As a final step, regularly reconcile your bank statements. Ensure that the checks you wrote match the transactions in your bank account for accurate financial tracking. And there you have it, a detailed guide on how to fill out a check. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and let me know in the comments if there's another money-related topic you'd like me to explore.